In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate personal and business finances in Monarch Money. Keeping your financial lives distinct is a smart way to maintain clarity and organization, whether you're an entrepreneur or just managing multiple streams of income. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Monarch Money account. If you haven't set up your account yet, make sure to go through the sign-up process by visiting their website or app and filling in the required details. It's quick and straightforward, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you're logged in, head over to the Accounts section. This is where you'll be able to view all your financial accounts in one place, giving you a comprehensive overview of your finances. The Accounts section is intuitive and organized, allowing you to easily manage and track your money effortlessly. In the Accounts section, it's time to add separate accounts for your personal and business finances. This step is crucial as it will help you clearly distinguish between your personal expenses and business-related transactions. Click on Add Account. You'll have a few options here. You can add a bank account, a credit card, or even an investment account. Choose the type of account that fits your needs. After adding accounts, it's important to label them appropriately. Name one account personal and the other business. This will help prevent any mix-ups in the future and ensure that you're categorizing your transactions correctly. Labeling keeps your financial tracking organized and your reports accurate. Now onto categorizing transactions. Click into each account and allocate transactions to the correct category. For business expenses, ensure they are linked to the business account. This will come in handy during tax season and when you're reviewing business performance. Similarly, personal expenses should go under the personal account. Consistently categorizing transactions will provide you with accurate financial insights. Next, you'll want to set up budgets and financial goals separately for each account. This step is vital for financial planning and achieving your goals. Go into the budget section. For your personal account, set up a personal budget that includes expenses and savings targets. Then do the same for your business account, focusing on business income, expenses, and taxes. Creating separate budgets helps you track your spending and income more effectively. Finally, manage and review your personal and business finances separately. Keeping your personal finances distinct from your business finances can not only simplify tax reporting, but also provide clearer insight into the health of your business and personal financial situations. And there you have it, a step-by-step process to keep your financial lives organized and distinct in Monarch Money. Remember that maintaining a clean separation between your personal and business accounts aids in clarity, organization, and compliance. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more finance management tips.